In this video, I'm going to show you how to import XML files in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up your Adobe Premiere Pro project and then go to the very top left where it says File, click on it, go down where it says Import and then press Import. And in here, you want to find your XML file. So for me, it's inside my Downloads folder. It's just a sample file over here. You want to click on it and then press Open. And what this will do is it will import the XML file inside your project. Now, what you have to make sure is that if you want this to work, you must have the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro and you must have it updated to the latest version. Because usually, if that's not the case, you may get some errors. Still, if you have updated the latest version and you're still getting an error while trying to import this, what you can try doing is going to your File Explorer, finding your files, and then simply renaming them to whatever. So if it says sample, let's say I could just rename it sample1 or whatever, and then try importing it, and that would do the trick and fix the issue. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.